Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and empowerment coach for Live for Yourself Consulting, where we guide others that have experienced success but don't really feel successful, that know they can do more at work, that don't feel like they're on the right path for their career and want to do something more meaningful. They're stuck, and they know there's a solution, they just can't figure it out. And that's where we come in. And I like to take these Fearless Fridays, though, to help those types of clients, to give them a little bit of a nudge, to add a little bit of value to their work and to their life. And today, I want to talk about being your greatest champion. What do I mean by that? Well, for example, I work with a lot of clients that aren't happy at work. And some of them know what will make them happy. And they're frustrated at their organizations for not giving it to them. And I'd say, be your greatest champion. Go raise some flags. Go talk to your supervisors. Go have meetings cross-functionally and try to get involved in this type of work. And then clients will do that. Or people will do it that attend my workshops. But then if there's no follow-up, a month will go by, 2 months will go by. Maybe there's some conversations about a project. Maybe they get started a little bit, but the progress is really slow. And so the frustration and the stress comes back. Well, again, you need to be your greatest champion. How are you continuously, intentionally taking action towards the work and towards the life that you want for yourself? It's like, for example, I want to learn Spanish, and I find it hard to practice Spanish, but I've tried a variety of different things. I kept trying different ways to integrate Spanish into my life, and I came up with a really good solution. I'll watch this YouTube channel during my workouts. I'll do Duolingo during the day, which is an app where you can practice Spanish. And now, because I know that I'm having issues conversationally, I'm going to sign up with an instructor online a couple times a week. And I had to learn this about myself. I couldn't just have this to-do list and think I was going to do it. And so if you look at your life and you're like, okay, so where have I taken a little bit of action, or where do I need to take action? And I feel like I made a little bit of progress, but not the amount of progress that I want. Where do I keep needing to show up? Where do I keep needing to take action? It's also like people with relationships. They maybe date a couple times and they're disappointed with the results. They haven't found the one person. They're not realizing that they have to keep going. You have to keep being your greatest champion. The world is not just going to give you something without you intentionally being focused on it on a consistent basis. There's the key there, a consistent basis. Another big thing is people interviewing for jobs that maybe are a little bit above their caliber, or at work trying to get certain responsibilities and do certain things. Maybe they don't believe in themselves, so their confidence is holding them back, but they also keep getting held up on the same questions to represent their experience. Well, go actually do something. Go investigate that answer. Come up with actual data. If you know the issue, then you also know the solution, and are you holding yourself accountable to achieve that? So again, to live for yourself means taking accountability for your work and for your life and being your greatest champion. And I hope this helps nudge all of you just a little bit. If you've taken one thing away, please share this with a friend. Let's change more lives. And most importantly, everyone, keep on living for yourself.